Hello everybody, this is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island, Okinawa, Japan. This is gonna be my subject today. I shot it 3-4 years ago. One of the musicians. Okay, I'm gonna use this image, and also I'm ready for this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop. Use the filter called Find Edges. Okay, I'm gonna change the blend mode to darken for this pencil image, and also I'm gonna fade this one down, the base image. Well, then I'm gonna move this layer between these two. Then I'm gonna put the watercolor brush, first watercolor, wash flat for this first paint. Okay, let's start it from skin tone, highlight side first, then I go with shadow side, a little bit small and not much water. And I'm gonna take, dry first, dry layer, and then I'm gonna add some hair with the change watercolor round detail. Again, dry layer, change the layer to basic watercolor. Okay, now I go with the jacket, back to the watercolor wash flat for jacket base. Okay, I'm gonna add another layer for jacket. Okay, go for little dark side, shadow side, or change the brush to the basic watercolor to, dry layer. Then I'm gonna less water, a little more dark, go with the little touch, and I'm gonna add some water. Okay, add water to blend it in, goes to outside. I'm gonna go back to and I forgot about this skin tone. Then change the brush, watercolor round detail. Go with the bow tie first. Maybe dark green. No, it's kind of brownish. Oh, this is a shirt. Okay, before going shirt lines, let's touch the bow tie. I choose this color, more darker, to change basic. Then, okay, now I add some dark area for shadow. Then I'm going to add water to blend it in. Okay. Now see that pants before we merge down to this layer. Then add layer on top. Now, okay, red pants. Okay, now, oops, I think I did it here. It's okay, march down. And I'm gonna dry layer. Oh, it's dried already. Okay. I'm gonna add the dark shadow side of this with the basic watercolor. Let's add water to blend in. Go shadow. Okay, I'm gonna dry first, then go with a little bit big. Oh, this is the dark area. Okay, now I'm gonna merge down to this. This one go down with this pants. This is pants 2. Okay, so I'm gonna merge down. Now it's pants only here. More darker though. Okay, I'm gonna merge down this one. Then I'm gonna put some more dark area here. So okay, let's go with the guitar. Let's Now I'm gonna add background. Turn this one just more down. And I'm gonna add the layer. Then kind of blue, yes. Well, now I'm gonna, first of all, duplicate layer, then turn this one off, just keep it, and I'm gonna let this one convert to pixel layer, and create empty mask, invert mask, then I'm gonna reveal on this. Choose a brush with painting. Let's see, wet brush 1. Okay, let's go try with this and choose white, then reveal. Well, this is it for today. I'm going to explain to you docking for 50% of this line image, and also I changed to normal. Change from normal to linear burn for this face and hand. This one. Okay, then these are normal. Background also. I really appreciate for supporting me to watch my video, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.